welcome back to German Brew. Today you see it in the intro, ChatGPT make our recipe. So we have an orange, of course organic, you can eat the skin, a vanilla bean and cinnamon. For the honey I have here something special today. I have here a local beekeeper. He has some honey with a little bit high water. In the honey here in Germany have strict rules. 18% water is the maximum. This one is a little bit over it, and so he can sell it as honey. So he sells it to me, really cheap, really good quality, and it's really delicious. So we use this. It's forest honey, so also a little bit more flavor, but it's really fruity. So I'm sure it fits together with this. Yes, I thought about what we will do. ChatGPT is everyone talk about it still. I know I'm a little bit late. It's a long time ago it started, but still they talking about it, and the people still don't know what we do with it. So I try it by myself. I talk a little bit with it. When you ask question about law or something, it's really bad. So it's more like someone who know everything but make everything wrong. But I try a little bit with the recepts, with the meat recepts that's possible. And yes, there was some good ideas. I changed a little bit, of course. He made 1 gallon, I just make 3 liter. I'm sure the rest is so simple we can use it. Anyway, and I use another yeast because I don't have champagne yeast, but I think it has potential. So let's see. I start with this mead. Hopefully it tastes good. I mean, orange, vanilla and cinnamon sounds really good for me, and I think, yes, let's try it. What do you think about ChatGPT? So first of all, we will cut the orange. So let's cut the orange. Like I said, I already played a little bit with ChatGPT. Also, can you write for me something? Try it out. Write an essay about, I don't know, how important is mead brewing for the American culture. For example, so yes, ChatGPT said for me, we will slice an orange. So we will do it. Slicing an orange, put it all in the fermenter. The fermenter is again steamed. I starting to steam now everything. Before I using always just water. Now I steaming. And I know with steaming you can sanitize really good, because I work in a food company for a while. They filling bottles also, but with sauce. And yes, they used steam for cleaning. First of all they clean it just with cold water and with some soap, and then they steam everything to clean it. So I know steaming is a good thing for sanitize. That's why I sanitize everything with steam. Okay, my hands I sanitize with alcohol. That's also good for sanitization. So you don't need star sand or something like this. Of course it helps. It's easy when you have everything just in a bucket. It's a lot of work with the steam, I need to say. And yes, I don't like the cleaning, but it needs to be made, or our brew will be good. It's already get a lot of juice. I hope that the orange ferment good. I also will add some dead yeast for nutrients inside, even when ChatGPT don't talk about nutrients. I think it's needed there. So yeah. I already know now it will be a horror to clean this. Okay, it's inside. Don't waste the juice. Okay, let's see the honey. So, you see? Can you see? Yes, you can see. It's complete crystallized, but it's not so good. So, first of all, we need to put all the honey inside. Of course, the water is a little bit warm, so it's easier to dissolve the honey. It smells fruity. We have opened one glass. I have buy 12 glasses for only 24 euro. And one glass we open instantly and try. And yes, it's delicious. So that's why I'm sure it becomes good mead. We will see how much gravity we have, because he said it's a little bit more sugar, more water inside. But if it crystallized so good, I don't think it's right. So the honey also don't smell funny or something. It's really just a minimum. So in German law, he can't sell it anymore as honey. We call it then bake honey, because you can use it. Of course, they're using it for baking bread or a cake, or making mead. Also really good. He even write on it, it's good for baking or making mead. And yes, of course, he don't make mead by his own. That's wonder. It's really funny for me, because he is a beekeeper, and this is one thing I make with the first, I think, as a product. Making mead, especially with honey, I can sell. And now I need to check a lot. So I will check here, and then we see us back. I'm using now water filter, so I don't have a problem with the water anymore. Let's see the gravity from this most. When I see the water inside here, I think it will become crystal clear. Okay, I don't need to continue. There is no way. Okay, maybe it was a little bit more than 500 grams, I don't know. Because $1.114. So it's a high gravity also. I really like it. That's really high gravity. I need to weight the glasses, maybe they're more than 500 grams, but this is something I can live with, and it's delicious. So we will continue. It's really delicious. Sweet and delicious. Really good honey. I have here my dead red yeast I wanted to add. Some people will say, but you changed the gravity. No, it's just, see, it's just so small water. It's not even close to change the gravity. Not even 1 point will change by a few milliliter. And I'm just thinking, why have a small funnel, but it will fit. Let's wash it down. Instantly it smelled like orange. So, it's just warm, that's good. I have used the wrong yeast. Now I have the right yeast. Here, the French cider yeast I use again. I ordered also new yeast. but it's still not arrived. So I ordered some wet drying yeast, or some table wine yeast, and also some mead yeast, but the mead yeast has 18%, so that's strong tobacco. Okay, that's enough. I think give them a little bit more because of this orange. But I need to say, I like this recipe. So orange, cinnamon, vanilla. Maybe I need to get out the cinnamon a little bit earlier, because it will get overpowered if I let it too long. Okay, I think this time it's really full. But it smells so good like orange. We have here some cinnamon. I will use the smallest one, I think. It smells so good. Okay. It just stick on the top. Here we have some vanilla. Also smells good. And also I just put it whole. Okay. I know I need to give this always a shake because of the orange, so we don't get mold. And I'm fearing it getting overblowing. I keep you updated, of course, if it's getting too stormy. But just relieve the pressure. Okay, perfect. And we're done. So this is the recipe that ChatGPT gave me. We changed it just a little bit because of the yeast, and we changed the volume, but I'm pretty sure it become delicious. And if yes, what we will do? Do we try more ChatGPT brews? Maybe you can answer me. I can also ask him for methadone, for example, or something more fruitier. But this is the first try, and I think it sounds delicious. We just need to see in 1 week or so. I need to get it out. Put the vanilla bean maybe inside again. So we have more vanilla flavor, but not so much cinnamon flavor. Yeah, we will see. If you like this video, here are 2 more. Maybe you like them also. Here, for example, I drink with my wife some delicious mead I make, the mead from 1669. The video is there also. So here I make it, there we drink it. So we are see you the next time. Bye.